What shall we do?
What shall we do?
It's time to have fun with Kitty and Lou.
Calm in a voice, hello. Good morning, calm in a voice, are you in there? This is your calm inner voice. What's up, Lou? Do you want to sing a song? I was thinking our voices might go nicely together. Will it calm you down? No, I'm already pretty calm. Okay then. Oh, yay! So, this is the first bit. Good morning, what a beautiful day, a beautiful day. The smell of the flowers is drifting in the air. That's all I've got so far. I like it. And how about this? Good morning, 'cause today is the day for a beautiful day. When we woke up today was already here. Ah, yes. Let's go out into the day. This beautiful day we've found. Feel the sun on our heads and our feet on the ground. Today's the day. Oh, yes, calm in a voice. Very nice.
Oh, he's talking to that guy. Oh, well.
Good morning. We're not wanting to get anything done. Just a walk in the sun with no one around. Just yous and me. Let's go out into the day. This beautiful day we've found. Feel the sun on our heads and our feet on the ground. Today's the day.
Why can't I have a calm inner voice? I don't get it. Oh. Lou talks to his calm inner voice whenever he's in a super sticky situation. I'm so scared. I should never have climbed this very high tree. Oh, if only my calm inner voice would come and calmly reassure me. Calm inner voice, help! A huge dinosaur sat on me and I'm terribly squished. Nothing. What's the scariest thing of all? Help! I can't control my eating! I'm going to explode! Oh, I give up. I heard something. Was that? That's inside my head. Hello? Anyone there? Oh my gosh, Shingles! I've got my own calm inner voice. Oh, hi. Can you come closer, please? Can you?
Floofy, fla whoopie.
What did you say?
Hey, what's going on?
Lou. Oh, my spikes. Guess what? I found my calm inner voice.
Ah, yay!
Yeah, but... Oh, well, I can't understand a thing she says.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not going to be easy.
Biddy dooby deeby dabu dabu.
Wait, she's not my calm inner voice. She's my foreign inner voice. Much more interesting.